Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I wanted to show you a few of the latest watches that just arrived in. A few of these have already been gone through. They're going to be listed soon on our website. All of these are in working condition, so all of them have been tested, with the exception, I believe, of one Pulsar chronograph watch, because I need to get a brand new watch battery for this particular one. But other than that, all of these watches have been tested, all the functions, and they are in working condition. I'm going to go through each and one of them, show you a few things about the watches that we have in stock. We have thousands of vintage and pre-owned watches in our collection. A lot of these are going to be chronograph watches. All of these are going to be men's watches for the most part, and you can find them, as I mentioned, on our website. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's go through each and one of them. The first one is going to be this Timex retrograde. This is a very interesting model, and it is called the retrograde because after the date is going to hit Sunday, it is going to jump back to Monday. So it is going to do a small jump right there. It still has the original strap. I'm still debating whether I'm going to leave it with the strap or not. Timex, for the most part, makes, let's say, decent leather straps, especially the newer models. The older ones are not so good, and it also features the day-date complication and the 24-hour display. Then we have a very beautiful Pulsar chronograph watch in titanium, two-tone. As you can see, very nice condition. The original bracelet, signed buckle, also the screw-down back with the 100 meters of water resistance. Even though they say, let's say that they have 100 meters of water resistance, please consider the fact that these are, let's say, vintage or older models, and I do not recommend going inside water with them. Here is a brand that I have never heard of before seeing this one. This is going to be a No-Tech, No Limit chronograph. I really like the condition when it comes to the materials that they use. So they have a very nice stainless steel bracelet, very nice to the touch, also a screw down back, and I really like the beautiful dial, the configuration. It is a big and heavy watch, so the steel that they use is actually very nice and also very heavy. Signed buckle, very nice condition, quartz. It is going to be reliable, so that is something that I like a lot. The next one is going to be a Time Force, which also features an alarm. So if I press this button right here, it is going to activate and deactivate the alarm. Also the two pushers, chronograph, day-date complication, and also very beautiful bracelet, signed Time Force, the original one. As you can see, still with the sticker on the back, even though it is an older model. I'm also going to show you, even though I did not test it yet, but I'm pretty sure that it is going to be working, this Pulsar chronograph watch with this Tourneau case. Very interesting model, most likely from the 80s or 90s. Pulsar is actually a watch brand that is owned by Seiko, so you get a very nice and premium watch brand for a fraction of the price, especially when it comes to, let's say, vintage watches. And speaking of Seiko, maybe the most beautiful piece from this lot is going to be the vintage 1996 Seiko Panda model that we have. Here we have the reference number and also the exact serial number. So this is going to be made in November, and also 7T32 or 82. This is going to be the movement. Very beautiful stainless steel bracelet. The bracelet is incredible. So it is going to have very, very little band, as you can see right here. Very beautiful condition, the original one. And this is a very beautiful model with the alarm also in working condition. Alarm, setting the alarm, activating the alarm. It is going to show me that the alarm is working. Deactivate the alarm. Date complication, chronograph with the very beautiful sweeping hand, pause, reset, perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. Very, very beautiful model, guys. I believe that that is going to sell very, very fast. Then we have a very beautiful Casio Illuminator. This is something that looks very retro. I don't know if this is a vintage model or not. This is going to be the W756, I believe. And also I have tested all the functions and features. I even made a full guide on how to use all the functions and features on this particular model. And now we are going to jump to a chronograph by Boccia. This is going to be a brand that not many of you have heard about, but a very beautiful design, very beautiful watch crystal. Here we have the screw down back. I went with this leather strap because I really like how it looks, this vintage maybe 90s or early 2000 look, and also a very interesting dial design. Also we have here a vintage German watch brand. This is going to be a Kinsley. This is not a vintage model, I believe. This is going to be maybe a 2000 model with the date complication. Very nice condition, I believe just as new, as you can see, with the original strap, never been worn. And we are going to go to another very special and rare model from this lot. This is a Honda Civic chronograph watch with the red dial. Very, very beautiful dial. This is going to come on the original strap. Also a limited edition to 1000 pieces. So this is going to be a watch for the, let's say, Honda Civic collectors. Maybe these watches were handed out to the people that bought these cars, let's say, in a certain period. In case you know more information about that, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm still researching this particular model. Here we have a So&Co. This is going to be an interesting model, and that is because this is not a chronograph. We are actually going to use these two pushers in order to adjust the time and date. So that is something really cool. And the curious thing is that they actually included the tachymeter bezel. So maybe I need to see whether you can actually use it as a chronograph, since I don't know the exact function that they have, since the pushers are made for aligning the sub dials. Then here we have another very cool and interesting watch. I have never seen this particular model before. This is going to be a sector, and it is going to be a perpetual calendar. So we have both the day of the week and the day of the month, and then we also have the month, as you can see right here. We have an extra pusher, which when pressed, it is going to change the month, and once the day of the month is going to go past 31, it is also going to switch right here. Also the 24-hour display, the original crown, the original bracelet, as you can see, also the logo right here, logo right here, logo on the watch crown. Usually these let's say details on the crown sometimes, let's say, get lost or get damaged, as the watches have been worn a lot. Also the bracelet in very good condition, signed buckle, very, very nice condition. I really like this model. I'm also debating it whether to keep it in my collection or not. Then we have a digital analog Casio watch with a very interesting configuration. This is going to be the model number AW80. It has this very old beaten up bracelet. I will see whether I can, let's say, revive it, and in case I can do that, I'm also going to make a video about it. So make sure to subscribe, guys, because I post videos about watches, about basically everything that I do regarding, let's say, this business, watches. I'm also getting into watchmaking, so make sure to stay tuned. Here we have a TCM chronograph. I really like their design, a very interesting retro, maybe German looking, I would say, watch. Very nice bracelet. This one needs a lot of cleaning, so I'm going to use the ultrasonic cleaner in order to, let's say, revive the bracelet. Here we have a fossil watch. We have a bunch of chronograph fossil watches. We have two right here. So I have the Nate model, the one on the left. This is maybe one of the most sold fossil chronograph watches out there. And this is going to be an older model. I forgot the exact name. We have others from the 80s and 90s from Fossil, so make sure to check them out. We also have two very beautiful Fossil moon phase watches, so make sure to check them out because they are going to sell very, very fast. As I mentioned, the German watch brand Kinsley. Here we have a titanium chronograph, very nice, very light, also with the screw down back, as you can see, Kinsley from or since 1822. Then I have one watch that is very, very beautiful and special because it is going to be a Citizen Eco Drive with a daily complication, very nice condition, the original, I believe, rubber strap, and I'm also debating whether to keep this one or not, since I do not have a Citizen Eco Drive in my collection. Here we have a diesel chronograph with 2 time zones, so we have another crown here on the left side, which is something really interesting. This is going to be a watch that some of you might like or some of you might really dislike. I really like to hear your thoughts when it comes to diesel watches, diesel chronograph watches. I know that they make some very big, let's say, models, but from what I have seen, they are really bought and sought after. Then we have another German watch, because we purchased a lot of watches from Germany. This is going to be a Lankovic. Very interesting case, as you can see right here, the original strap, so the rubber strap, and also a very, very beautiful back case, screw down back, very nice condition. This is going to be a watch that is going to sell very fast, since it has this black and silver design. And lastly, so last but not least, we have this Breil chronograph watch, rectangular case, very unique bracelet. As you can see, these geometric links very nicely put together. Also very comfortable, given the fact that they are going to be very hard to make them very comfortable with the original buckle once again. So guys, this was the video that I had for you today. These were just a few of the watches that just arrived, and we are going to go through them, process them, and list them for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. Most of these are going to be men's watches, a lot of chronograph watches, which I really like. Very interesting models, a few, let's say, limited edition, very rare models from the 90s. This one has the movement that has been used throughout the 80s and up to 2002. So very sought after, with the panda dial, so something really cool, the Seiko. And we also have a few other interesting models, very, let's say, unique titanium, limited edition models. So guys, make sure to check them out. In case you have any questions, in case you have any suggestions, in case you liked a certain model, in case you have a story, make sure to leave a comment. I would really like to hear you out. Let's get the conversation started. Check out our website, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Give it a thumbs up. I post, as I mentioned, a bunch of videos about watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, watch reviews about different watch brands, and everything related to watches. So make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.